have entered few positions here on Euro AUD, the pair of Euro AUD, guys. You can see I'm going again to insert buy positions, and I'll explain to you how I've managed to analyze this type of pairs. You can see it's a 15-minute time frame, and I'm just going to switch to quite a bigger time frame. And as you can see here, I'm seeing a Quasimodo setup here, guys. How is it a Quasimodo? If I am to explain this, it's a Quasimodo setup, and we're supposed to buy from down here, guys. As long as the market didn't close below this, our stop loss could be way below. Our stop loss could be way below, guys. Let me just use an arrow. Our stop loss could be way below here. Okay, I've entered about the 4 positions. Don't worry about the other positions, guys. I have some trades also running here. Don't worry about that. So you can see the market is just going, and let's see how it's gonna play out, guys, and I'll just update you in few minutes. But before we go further, I want you guys to understand where we're gonna put our first TP. We are going to insert our first take profit here on a drop base drop, which is a supply zone, guys, or a supply area, guys. We are going to put our take profit here, and probably if we are to hold a few layers, we are also going to consider this place here, also going to consider this place as our next TP, guys. And hopefully the market is going to move move toward our directions, and then we are all set. And as you can see, guys, it looks like this on a bigger time frame, so just like this. So we expect the market to move a little bit higher, so we are going to take profit somewhere, and I will update you whatever the result is. And as you can see, guys, we have successfully reached our TP somewhere there with 20 USD on the trade right now. As you can see here, we made about 65 USD profit just from this trade, guys. And as you can see, we have just entered somewhere there, and it made a very bullish move, which we expected, and our TP was just there exactly. Our first TP obviously is going to be on this supply zone here, but it looks like still bullish. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just going to take profit on few layers, and I'm going to hold. Probably I'm going to hold 2 because I've opened 4 positions on this type of entries. You can see I have the 2 remaining. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna move your stop loss to break even, guys, and don't forget that that's what saves us. Otherwise you will cry after you're gonna lose everything. I'm going to move my stop loss here, guys, so I will be safe. As you can see there, my profit is protected, guys. My profit is protected. With whatever reversal it's gonna brought up upon me, I'm not going to lose all the money. As you can see, my TP, or I mean my stop loss, is just here. And right now we are looking forward to see a bigger move somewhere to the top. So we are just going to look for a bigger move somewhere to the top, and then we can take our profit there. Okay, guys, if you like this type of videos, I'm going to upload a lot of videos here. And as you can see, the channel is more about forex trading, and also not the post bonuses and other things. So if you like this type of video, make sure to subscribe, and also try like this video in appreciation. We will really appreciate your effort. Beautiful things, guys. As you can see, we have just gone beyond above our TP zone, which was marked here on a 5-minute time frame, if I'm not mistaken. So you can see we marked our TP zone here, but we have just gone above it, and our take profit is massive, guys. So you can see those are the 2 positions here, guys. The 2 positions are the Euro AUD, which are down here 30 USD, and I'm going to close this profit, guys. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and make sure that to thumb up this video in appreciation, comment, or you can also go join our Telegram channel with the link down in the video description, guys. See you again on the next video.